is a top-quality solution for easily removing burned-on food, grease, and watermarks from your cooktop. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing, I can confidently say that this cleaner is a must-have for any kitchen. One of the standout features of this product is its effectiveness in tackling tough stains and spills. No matter how stubborn the residue may be, the Wyman Cooktop Cleaner Max is specially formulated to break it down and leave your cooktop looking brand new. The powerful cleaning agents penetrate deep into the surface, ensuring a thorough and efficient clean every time. In terms of product details, the Wyman Cooktop Cleaner Max is not discontinued and is manufactured by Wyman, a trusted name in the industry. The dimensions of the product are 4.06 inches, 4.06 inches, 3.81 inches, making it compact and easy to store. It weighs 10.72 ounces, making it convenient to handle during application. The manufacturer recom.
The GUI-CN Heavy-Duty Scour Pads, Sponge Dish, Scrubber, Non-Scratch. Green Reusable is an exceptional product that stands out in the market. As an individual with vast experience in product marketing, I am impressed by the quality and functionality of this item. First and foremost, the brand GUI-CN is well known for its commitment to producing high-quality products, and this sponge dish scrubber is no exception. Made from polyester material, it ensures durability and long-lasting usage. The choice of material also makes it suitable for various surfaces, including porcelain, wood, glass, plastic, and stone. This versatility is truly commendable, allowing users to clean different objects without worry. The vibrant green color of the scrubber is aesthetically pleasing and adds a touch of freshness to any cleaning routine. Moreover, it comes with a flexible and reusable design, which sets it apart from other similar products in the market. This special feature not
Top Scrubbing Pads. Professional Product Review. The Wyman Cook. Top scrubbing pads are a must-have for anyone who wants to keep their glass or ceramic cooktop looking pristine. Manufactured by Wyman, a trusted brand in household cleaning products, these scrubbing pads are designed to effectively remove tough stains and grime without causing any damage or scratches. Made from high-quality plastic, these scrubbing pads are lightweight and easy to handle. They are specifically recommended for use on glass, ceramic, and cooktop surfaces. The sleek black color adds a touch of sophistication to your cleaning routine. One of the standout features of the Wyman cooktop scrubbing pads is their non-abrasive and streak-free composition. This ensures that your cooktop surface remains scratch-free and visibly polished after each cleaning session. Moreover, the non-abrasive formula also contributes to the longevity of your cooktop, extending its lifespan. The Package Inc. 10. Pack Cleaning Pads for Cooktop and Stove is a highly effective cleaning solution that delivers exceptional results. Designed by Cerama Bright, a renowned manufacturer in the industry, this product offers outstanding performance and convenience. With over 10 years of experience as a product marketing expert, I can confidently say that these cleaning pads are a must-have for every household. Measuring at 1.75 inches, 2.63 inches, 8.25 inches, and weighing just 1.76 ounces, the Cerama Bright cleaning pads are compact and lightweight, making them easy to handle during cleaning tasks. They are thoughtfully designed to ensure optimal functionality without compromising on quality. Additionally, they are not discontinued, which ensures that customers can continue to enjoy their benefits for years to come. The Cerama Bright 1-inch 10-pack cleaning pads are specifically designed for cooktops and stoves and deliver exceptional cleaning power. They effortlessly remove stubborn stay.
0.74 inches, 6.14 inches, 3.19 inches, 1.25 pounds. Date first available, June 17, 2019. Manufacturer, Wyman. ASIN, B07T77, X77, S bestsellers. Rank, #42, 956 in Health and Household. See Top 100 in Health and Household. #31 in Household Cooktop Cleaners. The Wyman Cooktop Cleaner Kit, Cooktop Cleaner and Polish 20-ounce, is a product that delivers exceptional performance and quality. As an experienced product marketing expert, I have had the opportunity to evaluate and review various cooktop cleaners, and I must say that this product stands out in several aspects. Firstly, the packaging dimensions of 8.74 inches, 6.14 inches, 3.19 inches make it compact and easy to store, while weighing only 1.25 pounds, ensuring convenient handling during usage. The thoughtful design of the packaging reflects the manufacturer's commitment to user-friendly experiences. Moreover, the Weiman Cooktop Cleaner Kit boasts a remarkable release date of June 17, 2019, suggesting that it